Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see how to create a Google form. So first step, when you want to create a Google form, we should have to open our Gmail account. Whether it is a personal account or else whether it is an official account, anything is okay for us. So I have opened already one Gmail account. So after open the Gmail account, we should have to go to the Google Apps. So when we are clicking this Google Apps, we have the option called Google Drive is there. We should have to select the drive. After clicking the drive, it will take just couple of seconds to open the drive. So as soon as open, yes. The next step, in the left side corner, we have the new menu is there. By just the plus symbol followed by the new. By right clicking the new menu, we'll get so many options. So from that options, we are going to select the Google form. So after selecting this Google form, yes, the form is opening for us. So once the form is open, yeah, the first step we should have to, first change what is the title of the form. Suppose for example, the examination purpose, I'm creating the form, or else you want to collect the data for the student database purpose. Even it is a first year student, second year student. So like that, you can give anything. So here I'm just giving CAA 1. This is the title of the form. Okay, so all right, so under the description here, what is the purpose this form, like you can tell that CAA1. So when is the CAA1, at what time we are going to conduct the CAA1, to which group of students you are going to conduct the CAA1. So like that we can give the description related to this form. So I'm just telling 25th 9th is my exam, and even time we can mention in that. So like that, whatever the related information we wanted to give, we can able to give very easily here. Okay, so the first title part of the Google form has completed, and the next one is we should have to add the question. So before adding this question, I just tell you that when we are collecting the Google form, we can split our Google form into two sections. One is personal information, and the second one is related to any official, like for example, it is a examination purpose, means second of I can give all the question and the answers I can be able to give the multiple choice. So first one, I'm just asking to collect the name of the student. So when I'm pressing name here, as soon as I entered the name, by Google itself, we have right side corner, we have drop down menu is there. By clicking that menu, we'll come to know like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, so many options is there. Okay, and even when you are based on the question, the Google itself automatically it will suggest, it will take the by default answer. Yes, obviously when you are typing the name means is short answer. Short answer means it's give the place to enter their answer. So that is enough. So just let it be short answer. Okay, then I'm going to, if you want to add another question, means we should have to, in the right side corner we have the add question button is there, that you have to click. So now I'm just going to give the roll number or all ticket number, whatever. So now I'm just giving roll number. So as soon as I entered the roll number, yes, this is also short answer. Okay, all right. Now here in the right side corner, we have the option called required is there. So what is the purpose of the required here means, see, if I by default the required, it will be in the disable mode only. When I'm clicking this button, it will come to the enable mode. It means that it is a mandatory question. Without answering this question, any student or any participant cannot able to submit this Google form. That is the difference. See, in the previously I have given the name. So for the name I didn't select required. So now just see what is the change it will happen. So now I'm adding one more question. All right, plus. So now you see, can you able to see here, name means it's no asterisk symbol here near, but roll number means we have asterisk, or else no, we can call it as a star also, star symbol. So that is the different. Name, it's a option, whether if they fill or they will not fill the Google form, we can able to submit. But when you are having the mandatory things, means compulsory, they should have to submit their responses. And the next one I'm giving here, gender, GN. Okay, so gender. So when I'm giving the gender, yes, can you able to see now? Automatically it has changed to multiple choice. Even the options is displaying for us female, male, like that. So if I'm selecting the female means yes, the option 1 is selected as a female, and now I'm selecting the male means yes, the option 2 are selected by automatically male. So this is now this also I'm just putting into the mandatory. Okay, so now it is over. Yes. Now again I'm going to add the another question. So in this another question, so for me, here name, roll number, gender is enough. Now I'm going to, instead of adding the another question, I'm just going to add the another session. So if you want to add the another session, what we should have to do here, we have to press this section button. So add section option is there. If you, by clicking this add section option, yes. So can you able to see now section 2 is open here. Even the section 2 also same like our section 1. Like here also you can give the same title, just copy paste the same title, whatever you are given is there, so that you can copy. So from here you can copy and we can paste it here, and the same date, like that, whatever you wanted to give here, we can able to give here. So now again I'm just typing the same date. So this is enough. Now I'm going to add the questions here. So whenever you want to add the question, we should have to press the plus symbol only. So now I'm typing what is mean by data. So this is my one of the question. So whether I can go with whether multiple choice, or else I can go with ask the student to submit their responses. For example, if I'm selecting the multiple choice means, so here option data means information. So like that I can able to give information, raw fact. Okay, so data means information, nothing, something I'm typing, nothing. If I wanted to add another one means, yes, by clicking that you can able to add the another one. So here data is here data. So like that I can able to give. So again, after giving this option, again I should have to change this option to the required option. Okay, all right. Now if I press the plus symbol, yes, I can get another question. So when I'm typing the another question, upload your answers. Suppose I am asking the student to upload your answers. When I'm asking the student to upload the answers means, yes. So for that we have option called upload file. So when you are asking the student to upload their certificate, their any related images or whatever we want to collect, if you want to upload means, we have to select the option file upload. So here we should have to click with the continue. And the next step, the uploading answers like belonging to maximum number, how many number of files. So here we can select minimum is 1, afterwards 5, 10, like that we can able to select. And what is the maximum size, like 1 MB is there, 10 MB is there, 100 MB is there, even 1 GB, 10 GB, that we can. Suppose if I'm selecting 10 MB, minimum number of files I'm selecting 5, and allow only specific file type. Here now when we are asking the student to upload only specific means, yes, if I press this button, here it will come. What are all the type of answers you wanted to get from the audience or the participant, like you want document or Excel sheet or PDF, or like image or any audio. Suppose if I'm selecting out of these many, I have selected 5 options. So is that mean is when the student want to upload from this 5 category only, they can able to go with any one of the option. Okay, so this is, so now this is also I'm just selecting as a mandatory. So like this only we should have to create our Google form. So next step in this Google form, next important thing what we are going to see here is next option is called, we have settings is there. When I'm pressing this customized theme, we can able to give somewhat, we can able to beautify our Google form by clicking the choose image. So after clicking this choose image, the Google itself suggests some kind of images. So from that images, whatever you wanted to give, you can able to select from here. Or else if you have some kind of image means, we can upload from our computer or from wherever we have saved, from there also. Now right now I'm just selecting from here only. Yes, then we have to press the insert button. So as soon as you press the insert button, we can able to see, yes, now compared to the previous, we can able to see something, it is looking different. Okay, and even the color combination also, whatever the theme you wanted, even if I'm going with some other color combination, yes, you can go with whatever the combination yes, if by clicking this add, we can come to know. Now it's a red border has come. And even afterwards, font style, whatever the way you want to, like basic or else formal or playful. Suppose if I'm selecting the formal means, yes, we can able to see the changes over here. Like this only we can able to beautify our Google form. This is how we can able to do the Google form. So now then, whenever we are sending, suppose if you want to see how the output view of the your Google form means, by clicking this preview options, we can able to see how the Google form will come for us. See, for example, when you are sending the Google form to the other persons, it will come like this only. Okay, so because here session 1 only can able to, so why? Because when we are answering this one, then only it will move to the next session. So here, if you want to change the title, yes, as soon as I press, no, automatically it has taken whatever I have given the heading. So like that we can change our Google form title. So this question I don't want. So if you don't want, you can press this delete button. We can able to delete the Google form. And next option, we have if you want to send the Google form to the other person, so by pressing this, yes, before that we have another setting is there. So what is it? Yeah, if you press this setting, here we have options. It will display make this quiz. Suppose make this form as a quiz. If you means, yes, immediately after each person submission responses, if you want to send. Next one, no, collect email address. If you by clicking this collect email address, automatically whenever they will send the email address, it will collect. And the limit to 1 responses means, yes, only one time only the participant or the student can able to send. So that is why limit to 1 responses. So these are all the changes we should have to do when before sending the Google form to the other person. So responses, whenever now I didn't send to anybody else, that's why we are getting 0 responses. Once if you have sent the Google form to the other person, they started filling and submitting the form means we will get automatically responses. So now how we are going to send the response to the audience? So for that we have to click the send option. So here we have, see, via mail you want to send, or via you want to, if you know any person mail ID, one person means I can type directly here mail ID, or else I don't know the mail ID of the particular participant. In that case, we have the link option is there. By clicking this link, we'll get your Google form link. So just press this shorten URL. After pressing this shorten URL, just copy this link. After copying that, whether through mail or through WhatsApp to whoever I wanted to send, we can send. Now you see, I'm just pasting on the URL link, and I'm showing how our form look like. See, this is how our form it will look like for us. So this is the way we should have to create a Google form, and after created the Google form, we have to send to the audience also. Thank you.